everybody, it's Miss Hildreth, and here's another video. So this is day 2 Explore. The agenda for the day is students will watch a short YouTube video, which I'm making right now, that will help them complete their guided notes for Athens and Sparta. Students will take notes that will help them to understand the vocabulary needed for Athens and Sparta. So the video link is going to be right here. I'll place it once I finish the video. And then you're going to scroll down. If you're at home, if you're in class, we're going to take notes on paper using pencil. So here are the vocabulary guided note slides. You'll either type, as you can see, a word or hear a word or definition, and then you'll put some kind of symbol or image in this area here. And if you remember, if you click insert image, click search the web, and you'll have this little screen pop up. And let's say we're looking up oligarchy Greece. Pick a picture, click on it, click insert, it'll pop in, and then you'll have to resize it, play around with it, get it to shrink in. So that's that. Get rid of that. Okay, so we're going to jump over here. Athens and Sparta vocabulary. Our first word is Peloponnesus, and it's a noun, so it's a place or a thing or a person, but this is a place, a peninsula forming the S part of Greece, seat of early Mycenaean civilization, and powerful city-states like Sparta. And if you remember, Sparta's down in here, okay? So that's the first vocabulary word. Number 2, Council of 500. 500 citizens who prepare an agenda for the assembly this happened actually in Athens. So, and I'm going to add that in. There we go. Okay, so that's our next vocab word. Number 3, assembly. Assembly is a group of male citizens who debated and voted on laws provided by the council in Athens. Let me make this a little bit smaller. Sorry about that. I usually have it fixed, but there we go. Okay, so assembly, group of male citizens who debated and voted on laws proposed by the council in Athens. Agora. Agora is a public market and meeting place in a Greek city. The agora, spelled with a capital A, refers to the agora of Athens. And this is kind of what it looks like. I'm going to show you a little bit more detailed picture of it later on. So, slavery. Slavery is a noun. It's being owned by and forced to work for someone else. Priestess is a female priest. And if you remember, when we talked about oracles in the previous section, we said that the ancient Greeks went to a priestess or priest to be able to talk to the gods. They were kind of like the go-between. Council of Elders, a group of wealthy men who made laws that the assembly voted on, and this was in Sparta. The economy, The economy is a noun. It's the management of resources in a community or country, especially when dealing with productivity. Oligarchy. Oligarchy is a noun. It's a government in which a small group of people who hold most of the political power. Okay, and this happened. Oligarchy was the type of government in ancient Sparta. Heliates were a noun. They're people that were conquered slaves. Paraquoi were free men who were not citizens and couldn't vote. And this was in Sparta. I should have put this just so that you know the difference. So I'll add it right now. Okay. Barracks is our last vocabulary word, and it's a noun. It's a building or group of buildings used to house people, usually military personnel. And you're going to find out about the barracks when we read about Sparta, because you're going to see that Sparta is more built military. Their life is focused around the military, whereas in Athens, you're going to see that they're focused more around trade, education, the arts. So we're going to see how they're alike, how they're different. So these are the vocab words that are going to help us to understand about Athens and Sparta. So if you have any questions, please let me know. Email me. If not, have a great day, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.